Now we will study about the main features of the Indus Valley civilization. The most important features of the Indus Valley civilization was town planning or urban planning. The Indus cities followed a grid pattern, which means a pattern of lines that cross each other to form a square. Each city was divided into two parts. To the west of each city was a citadel. A citadel is a castle or fort which was built on high platforms. Public buildings, religious structure and granaries were built on the citadel. The rich merchants and the priests lived in the citadel. The citadel was surrounded by a wall to protect against the invasion, attack or flood. Below the citadel was the lower town. Here the main streets also followed the grid pattern. We have already discussed what is grid pattern. Houses were built on both the sides of the street and were rounded at the corner so that the carts can move easily. The houses were built from single room to bigger houses with courtyards having up to 12 rooms. This means that they built all types of houses, big and small, both type of houses. Most of the houses were double story. It means that it had a ground floor and then the first floor, and the houses were built of burnt bricks and mortar. Every house had a storeroom, a kitchen, a bathroom with slanting floor, a well, a dustbin, doors and windows opened on the streets, and the house drains emptied wastewater into the street drain, which led the main drains which emptied themselves in the outskirts of the city. After studying this, we come to know, children, how systematic the people of Harappan civilization were. Now we will discuss the drainage system of the Indus Valley civilization. The Indus Valley people had a very good sense of health and sanitation. They had a good drainage system. Each house had its small drain which emptied in the street drain and then to the outskirts of the city. The drains were made of mortar, lime and gypsum. Children, mortar, lime and gypsum. These are the materials which are used in construction. There were manholes at regular intervals. That means manholes were there at small distance. Children, you must have seen mostly we have manholes outside our house where the wastewater of a house goes into that manholes. People did not throw ash and other waste material in it. See how they kept their surrounding clean. They did not throw any type of waste or material in it. So we see that people in those days were very systematic and thoughtful than of today. Thus, we see that the Indus Valley people were very particular about their health and cleanliness. Next comes the civic organization. The Indus Valley people lived in a well-planned towns. They had a proper arrangements for water supply. There were lampposts for street lighting. Rubbish was thrown in the dustbin. The sweepers kept the cities neat and clean. There were inns for the travelers. Here, the inns means a house where people can eat and rent a room to sleep in. There was a system of watch and ward at night. Then another point, nobody was allowed to build pottery kilns in the city. Pottery kilns is a place where pots and bricks are made and burned to harden it. All these facilities were there for the people of Indus Valley. According to the words of Dr. S.P. Tripathi, bathrooms and circular wells were important features for most houses. The system of drainage, public and private, was remarkable. Children, for today, this much explanation I have done. Please go through it. Find the meaning of the hard words so that you can understand the chapter very clearly. Now we will have a look and we will go through what we had learned today. So we learned the sources of the Harappan civilization like Citadel, Great Bath, Dancing Girl, etc. Then we learned the meaning of the civilization. Civilizations come from the Latin word civis. Then we learned that the Harappan civilization or the Indus Valley civilization is also known as Harappan culture or Harappan civilization. We learned about the origin and the extent. Then we learned chief centers. Mohenjo-daro and Harappa are the important sites and chief center of the Harappan civilization. Indus Valley civilization had 250 sites. Then we studied about the main features of the Indus Valley civilization. The main features of the Indus Valley civilization is urban planning or town planning. Then we studied about the drainage system. What type of drainage system the Indus Valley people had. And in the last we studied about the civic organization. So children, so students, I hope you all have understood what I have taught today. Please go through it, read the chapter and try to understand the things. Thank you. Shall meet in the next class.